right, so here we are, Thankful Thursday, trading in Rhode Island, and a new little spot that I found to trade in. The internet today is ripping, so very happy with that. Although yesterday trading on my hotspot didn't actually end up being a problem, it was fine. So I can hear my 6-month-old in his jumper upstairs and my 3-year-old watching TV. So just kind of hung out down here, did a little trading, and got green. 7,500 bucks donated to 3 local charities here in Rhode Island. Johnny Cake's Center for Hope in South Kingston, Ronald McDonald Center in Providence, Rhode Island, and Food Bank of Rhode Island. So thank you, Rhode Island, for a great trip. It's been, well, 2 good days of trading so far, 1 more tomorrow. Hopefully can wrap it up with a 3rd green day, and I will definitely be back. So enjoy the recap, and I'll see you guys first thing tomorrow morning. All right, everyone, so it's Thankful Thursday, and I am locking it up for today. Up 13,150 bucks in my main account, and down 5,600 in my retirement account. My retirement account has taken a beating this month, which is really unfortunate because the losses can't offset your income tax. You just have a loss in it. You don't pay income tax in a retirement account, but then when you have losses, you can't do anything with it either. So this month, more of the profit's actually been in my main account, which I'll have income tax on. Well, but it is what it is. So I'm sitting up $7,500 net on the day, and it's Thankful Thursday, so donated to 3 charitable organizations here in Rhode Island, where I'm on vacation. $2,500 to the Ronald McDonald House in Providence, $2,500 to the Food Bank of Rhode Island, and $2,500 to Johnny Cake Center for Hope in South Kingston, Rhode Island. So those are the 3 organizations that got donations today, which brings my total Thankful Thursday donations for the month of April to $114,500 and 48 different organizations, actually. I said 39, and I thought that was right, but I hadn't added, I guess, ones from one of the weeks. So anyways, 48 different organizations as I have it right now, which is awesome. And those were organizations that you guys, Warrior Pro students, Warrior Trading family members, suggested. So this has been a great month, and thank you for that. So let's go over the trades from today. BTX was the sort of the main trade. There was EEIQ, which was choppy. I was up 700, then break even, then down 700 on it. WVVI, I never made more than 500 on it. I'm up 395 right now. And then there was BTX. I traded it pre-market, and I traded it at the open. And, we got some opportunities on it, but it wasn't as easy as it would have been yesterday. And, of course, yesterday I missed it. So I had FOMO. I saw yesterday, I'm out on the beach, and, Jess sends me a message. She's like, BTX is ripping. It's at $50. And I was like, God dang it. Of course it is. Of course. And it's like, I was green yesterday, and I was up $5,000. I'm on vacation, and the idea was not for me to sit here and trade all day long, but it hasn't been a great month for me. And so, every little bit counts, and finally to have something that goes from $22 up to $50 a share, and I basically missed the whole thing, is kind of discouraging. And that's actually happened a couple times this month, where we've had some opportunities, but it's been later in the day or after hours or super early pre-market, and I've just missed it. So this morning, I saw it had resistance at 45.98, which is this blue line right here. And I saw that it had support down here at 38.50. And so I actually bought it pre-market at $38.50, maybe 38.70. I bought it right off the support level on this candle right here. Excuse me. So it squeezes up here to 41.06, and then up to a high of 43, which was good. But then I added at 42.68 or something like that, trying to catch that breakthrough 43, and it flushed, and I lost $7,500. So I was up 10,000, and then was up only like 3,000. I got another trade on it right here which made back some of the losses, but I'm still down 2,500 off the high. I was not able to recoup all of them. And at this point, with this, unfortunately, I think it's just the fact that yesterday was the high and now it's coming back down. So, oh well. I was looking at possible blue box target right there of tapping this ascending resistance line. That was optimistic. Didn't get it. I was hoping for a tap of 45.46. We didn't get that either. So really didn't do as well on this as I could have, which was kind of a bummer, but I got green, and like I said, the other two were just small trades. So as I sit right now, I was red 11,000 on Monday, green 4,000 Tuesday, green 5,000 Wednesday, and green 7,500 today. So I'm back to green on the week, which is good, but only by a couple $1,000, maybe 5,000, and or 7,000, whatever. And I'm still, last week I was down probably, I don't know, 80 grand. So I'm not in great shape on the month, but as I've said many times, some months are like this, and it's just trying to keep your head above water. I saw a couple of you over the last few days and weeks have made comments like, well, there we go. I just gave back my whole month of profit in one day. And that was what I did in 2 days last week. Just in those 2 days, just like that, I gave back everything I had made basically in the previous 10 days of the month or whatever it was. So yeah, so red on, so I have to import trades. I'm kind of backed up here, but I was up 14,000 on Friday, then red 11,000 Monday. So those 2 days basically cancel each other out. And then up like whatever, 16,000 or so, 18,000, I guess, 16,000 in these last 3 days. So I would say wherever I was on this day, I'm probably up another 15, 20,000. So as of last Thursday, I was sitting at gross profit of 35,000 on the month, net profit of 22. So maybe I'm sitting at 40,000 on the month. I mean, in real world money, that's a really good month. No reason to complain. This is a crazy day trading world money. It's not as impressive. But it's been a crazy ride so far here this year. 784,000 in January, 336 in February, 365 in March. So to be up anywhere from 20 to 40 is kind of like, whoa, what happened? What happened is the market cooled off, and it's not really different, really, to what happened last year. Last year, the market cooled off for me in November, right there. Great month in October, great month in December. November felt like the end of the world. I don't even really understand why it happens like that, but it does. So I'm hoping maybe that this type of pattern is what we'll see going into May and June. Hopeful, but time will tell. So as always, trading is risky. No doubt about it. My results are not typical. Most beginner traders lose money. Even most traders, period, lose money. So approach trading with caution. I hope you guys have had a decent month, at least maybe break even. I don't expect anyone's probably crushed it this month. Maybe there's a few out there who have, but that would probably be not what I would have expected for this month, considering how difficult it's been. As I've chatted with traders in the community, it sounds like a lot of people have said it's been a tough month. So we've definitely got some people who have had a green month, but others who have had a kind of tough month, but hopefully not a disaster. So, and if it was a disaster, get back in that simulator and remember to practice, practice, practice. You got to get through these choppy markets. This won't be the last choppy month we ever have. It's just not going to be that way. Trading isn't like that. So I hope you guys, well, we'll be back tomorrow. I hope you guys have had a decent day here. We definitely had some opportunities, but even today again was choppy. So I'm going to shut it down and not overtrade, and I will be back first thing tomorrow morning, and I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. All right, see you guys in the morning. hope you really enjoyed that video, and make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Our goal is to hit 1 million subscribers this year, but we won't get there without your help. So please, please, please hit that subscribe button.